today I'm going to show that how to make playlist on YouTube. Friends, to make playlist on YouTube, it's an easy process. So please watch the whole video, don't miss anything. And after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, for this, first you have to log in your YouTube channel, my friends, on the browser. After logging your YouTube channel on the browser, you'll find this interface like this, my friends. Like this, you'll find the interface. After that, you have to click on here on the logo at the top right corner. Then, my friends, you have to click on YouTube Studio. After that, you have to click on Create at the top right corner. Then, my friends, you'll find here Upload Videos, Go Live, Create Post, New Playlist, New Podcast, right? Just click on New Playlist and you'll find the interface like that. Add title, descriptions, and visibility, right? So, my friends, I want to write the title. After writing the title, you can write the descriptions and also you can write the 5,000 letter. After writing the description, my friends, you can change if you want the visibility. Just click on drop down sign, then has public, private, unlisted. Which one you need, you can select that one. So I want to select public. After that, you have to click on create and see the playlist is creating. It has been created, right? Now, my friends, you have to click on content. Then you have to click on playlist. And you'll find here, just now you have created the playlist at the top. Then, my friends, you have to click on the triple dot. And you'll find here, get shareable link, edit on YouTube, set as podcast, and delete, right? If you want to delete your playlist, you can delete from here. And also, my friends, if you copy this link, then you can add this link on videos, my friends, if you want. After that, you have to click on edit on YouTube if you want to edit your playlist. From here, my friends, you can edit your titles, visibility, and descriptions. Just click on it, and after editing, click on save. And also, if you want to change the visibility, you can click on drop down sign. You can choose which one you need. After that, also, if you want to change the descriptions, click on edit, my friends, and you'll be able to change. After that, you have to click on save. So friends, like this, if you want, you'll be able to create and change or edit playlist. Friends, to create and edit playlist on YouTube, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give you answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful too, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.